Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be really exciting and helpful to you, and I want to get right into it. Valentine's Day is coming up and I wanted to share some awesome gift ideas for your boyfriend. One, I recommend getting Beats headphones. It's perfect because I feel like every person loves listening to music, especially if your boyfriend loves listening to music or working out. Getting him Beats headphones would be a perfect gift. Gift 2 would be some cologne. I'm gonna insert pictures right here. You could get him Versace, Gucci. There's a bunch of different men's colognes that smell amazing. Also, there's a lot that are lower in price but still smell just as good. You can never go wrong with getting someone cologne, especially if you get him a scent that you like. Gift 3 is a watch. Watches are perfect. Jewelry in general would be a perfect gift for your boyfriend, so there. The next one is really awesome because you can share this moment with him together, and if not, he can take like one of his guy friends or something. So this next gift idea is concert tickets, and you could get him concert tickets to see his favorite artist with his friends, or you guys could go together. That would be really fun. Idea would be game tickets. So if your boyfriend loves football or basketball, you could get him tickets to see one of his favorite teams play, and I think that would be an awesome gift. The next gift would be some cute Adidas shoes, Nike shoes, any shoes that look amazing and you know your boyfriend would like. You could never go wrong with a nice pair of shoes. Nike is honestly where it's at. The idea could be Gucci slides or Adidas slides. That would also be a great gift idea. A lot of guys love wearing slides because they're just like comfortable and like more casual. They could wear them with like their Adidas like sweatpants, so that's a good idea. The next gift idea would be Nike hoodies, sweatpants, or Adidas. It could be any brand that he likes. If your boyfriend is a little bit more sporty, this would be like perfect for him, like the Adidas like sweatpants, even like a Nike like hoodie or something. Like you could never go wrong with Adidas. So this next idea is super cute, and basically get a bunch of your boyfriend's favorite snacks and candies, and you can put them in a box or just any like gift basket or something. But I thought this was really cute and perfect, especially if your boyfriend is away at college or just like away somewhere, maybe for work or a work related purpose or something like that, studying abroad. This is such a cute idea, and I think like every person would love this because who doesn't love food and snacks, especially when it's their favorite ones. This gift idea would be the cupcake bouquet. It doesn't have to be cupcakes. I'm inserting a picture here, but basically you take a little something to hold the styrofoam ball in, and then you're gonna take toothpicks and you can put cupcakes on there. You can put brownies, like any of his favorite foods that he loves. It could be any snack related thing that he loves. That would be a cute gift, and again, food. Who doesn't love food? And the last thing, which has to be my favorite thing that I totally recommend getting, is this star alignment frame. I'm inserting a picture right here, but basically you can give him this frame that shows you how the stars were aligned that like in the sky that day, night, morning, whatever, and it could be like the day you met or like your first kiss, stuff like that. So I thought that would be a really cute idea. I think this is really awesome. I actually have the website. Okay, so the website to find that is called nightsky.com, and you can actually customize it, so it's a really great gift, and I even think that could be a gift for girls too. I mean, all of these could honestly work for anyone, but I know everybody needs gift ideas for their boyfriends or significant others this Valentine's Day, so I'm going to be starting a Valentine's series on my channel with outfit ideas, maybe a makeup look, and some more Valentine's Day gift ideas. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you found this video to be helpful to you, please give this video a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to join the Lily fam, and stay tuned for the next video. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.